いいですか?
Let's go! さあ、行くぞ!
Start off by dicing up a bunch of onions and then shove them into a bowl. Then pop in a bunch of ground beef, 1 egg, salt and pepper and ginger and then 1 tablespoon and maybe a little bit more of sake, and then just mix everybody till it's nice and cool, and then just start rolling them into little balls. And now it's up to the flame, and then in oil that has been heated to 180 degrees, add in a bunch of your meatballs and fry them up. Now let's make that sauce. 100 mils of water, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a heaping tablespoon of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar and a good old mixity mix, adding just a little touch of starch. Get it all nice and syrupy. Now it's got that nice sheen, let's add in all our meatball friends. Make sure everybody's coated. And let's plate up. Grab a big old bowl and your fanciest lettuce, along with Kaiwara and cherry tomatoes. Stack on your lovely meatballs. Garnish with sesame seeds.
いただきます!
2 hints to get this absolutely perfect. 1, make sure that you fry them until absolutely golden brown. And 2, make sure you cook that sauce all the way to make sure it's nice and sticky. Other than that, you should be absolutely fine. If you like what we do this practically every other day. Like, subscribe, maybe leave us a comment down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
バイバイ!